Hi, my name is Nadine and I am a parts advisor at Peel Chrysler Fiat. Today we are going to be talking about the difference between OEM and aftermarket parts and why you should always stick with OEM parts and always OEM parts. Okay, so the first part we're going to cover is the warranty base of the OEM versus aftermarket. So with OEM, you always have to kind of keep making sure that everything is good, but at the end of the day, you will always have at least a 2-year warranty, sometimes more, sometimes less, but there will always be a warranty with OEM parts. Whereas with aftermarket parts, usually sometimes you might get a 6-month warranty, sometimes you might not get a warranty at all. So at least with OEM parts, you do know that if something does go wrong, you can always bring them back and we will cover it for the free charge of you're not paying anything, and we'll replace it brand new, no problems. The second part that we're going to cover will be the selection of OEM versus aftermarket. With OEM, every part that you do get will be for that vehicle and for your vehicle specifically, whereas with OEM, usually there are so many different options that sometimes you might be able to get the right one, sometimes it could be the wrong one. And a lot of the time it gets really confusing and it does get a little stressful with aftermarket because there are so many different options and because you don't know what the quality of any part is going to be, the selection of it, there's probably maybe 20 parts for one, whereas with OEM, it's always going to be the part that you want it for your vehicle. The third and final part that we are going to be covering today is going to be the quality of OEM parts versus aftermarket parts. So with OEM parts, you're always going to get the parts that always come with the vehicle that are specifically designed for your vehicle, whether it is you order maybe a V-line part or an OEM part, it's always going to be specifically made for your vehicle. Whereas with aftermarket parts, a lot of the parts are universal. So the problem is with that is that sometimes you can get a part that'll fit maybe a Charger, but that same part will also maybe fit a Caravan. So the problem is that you're not getting the best quality for what you're paying for. Whereas with OEM, no matter what part you get, it is specifically designed for your vehicle, made for your vehicle to fit your vehicle no matter what. Thanks so much for your time today, guys. Once again, my name is Nadine and I'm one of the amazing parts advisors here at Peel Chrysler Fiat. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to call us 905-278-6181. You also follow our YouTube page, Twitter page, Instagram, Facebook at Peel Chrysler. Any questions you may have, we will definitely be happy to help you with any single question, no matter what.